Welcome back to 1969 teardrop restoration. Today we're gonna concentrate a little bit on restoration of the fenders of the camper, okay? So before I'm gonna start doing something with those, I'm gonna actually cover the walls with this tape, okay? And later with the little bit wider one, so it's not gonna be damaged or splashed. And I show you right now what I mean. All those fenders are in pretty rough shape, okay? Discolorations, some chips. We will see what we can do. So this side I already cover with the masking tape. Okay, so I'm gonna start working on those. So we're gonna jacker up the camper. We're gonna remove the wheel because this fender is actually bended. So I show you how I'm gonna fix it. So that's what we do. Okay, nice. Okay, wheel is out. I have those scientific tools, okay? So the bend is right here, okay? So I'm gonna use this, I would say metal block, okay? First of all, try to so as you see, it's a little bit round, okay? So I gotta find the best, both sides are a little bit different, okay? So I gotta find the best of the, so I will say this one. Okay, very good. So I'm gonna do same thing on the other side if I'm gonna start something. Very nice. $320. Next step. So next is 600, and we're gonna use electric machine I use this one. So final, I'm doing 1500.
To the ones who fight until the last minute saving lives. At Lynch Toyota, we recognize the importance of finding.
Okay, so this is our fenders done by me. Okay, the original aluminum. I don't like plastic too much, so I'm very happy. Hour and a half. That's what it takes me today. So as you see, I got fenders done. I'm still waiting for the sanding paper. I ordered it online, of course, from the American seller. So it's coming within a couple of days. So I don't have to wait months if I order from somewhere else. So thank you for sticking with me today. Check my next video and see you later. Take care.